Yep, you can start now.
Hello, my name is Tuli. Yes, I am from February 22 group, and my topic is AWS EKS cluster TTR application. So, what is AKS? AKS is the managed Kubernetes service in AWS. It is called a full managed Kubernetes control panel. Control panel is the master node where we all administrative system tasks are happen, and we have one more plane that is called data plane. Data plane where we run our workloads, that is our application, our job, or front end, back end, etc. And we can have one master or multiple master. And for Kubernetes deployment, we need prerequisite AWS CLI, kubectl, and requirement. IAM permission. Then what is AWS CLI? This is a command line tool that enable us to interact with AWS service and enable us to run commands. So we can do all those in a terminal with command with AWS CLI, that is called Kubernetes command line interface. And kubectl we use to access Kubernetes cluster and manage manage resources in the Kubernetes cluster. So this is all about EKS, and now I'm going to do hands-on. So we need three things to do hands-on. We need kubectl, we need AWS CLI, and requirement IAM permission. So I'm going to do hands-on. So for that, I need to server, AWS server for I'm going to do AWS. Dashboard, I need to launch instance and giving a name here, AWS Kubernetes cluster. Okay, then I'm taking Ubuntu. Then I'm taking KPI. This one I'm taking. Then I'm taking a network setting. My custom one. VPC. The auto assign public IP enable. Then create security group. This I have one. I will take this EKS Kubernetes security group. Because it's finished, no need to do anything. Launch instance. It will take a couple of seconds to come. Refresh. Pending. I'm taking the public IP and going to. So I'm putting here public IP, then username Ubuntu. Then I am taking my private key. Private key. Okay, then finish. I do sudo su for root user. Doing su. After that, I'm running this command apt update for the running update my server. So now I will do work on AWS. So I need to do AWS install CLI install. So that I am doing apt install, then AWS CLI. After that, I will do keep. Now I will install unzip file because I have some unzip file. apt install.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you please make your the font size bigger?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
And also one advice. I think the Farhaz and what is his name? The Bashish, they both deployed the Kubernetes with the what is called the cloud formation. You guys really could have watched that and take the advantage instead of doing the VPC things manually. But anyway, thank you. Please continue.
Okay, now I need to do AWS IAM permission, so that I need to go AWS CLI install and I need to go the Linux. I need this command to install AWS CLI. Okay. Then AWS, then checking version. Version. Now I need to configure access key and secret key for permission. AWS configure access key. So for that I need to go AWS. Security credential. Then access key. Then create access key. Show access key. I'm taking access key first. Putting here. After that, I need to go secret key. Okay. Then I am pasting here. Then region, I am taking US-OS-2. File format JSON. After that, I am checking it is okay or not. S3. Then this is okay. Now I need to do I have LS. Here is AWS, and I need to do now kubectl. So for that, I need to go EKS startle. Yes, EKS, EKS, CTL, IODKS station. Still, I will go there all the way down. Then I have this command. I will take in this command to install EKS startle. Sorry, kubectl. I need one more command from here. To install. Okay. kubectl command to this. And it is not here. I'm going to AWS. EKS from an AWS. Make it here. Documentation. Building. You can click here, and I will give this command here. Next, I run this command. Now I need to. Sorry, this will not be that one. This is not that one. I need to. Sorry, I messed up. kubectl install this one. I need to go Linux. It is here. I need this command. Or we install the kubectl. And I'm changing the version and taking the version 22. After that, I need one more command. This command, install kubectl. Open this one. Yes, here. Okay, and this kubectl. Now I need to, if I check the kubectl version, to the CTL, then version, it is refusing because I need to do. Now I need to do go AWS. Sorry, I need to do go. Need to have to go. If I go to the getting started with AWS, Amazon EKS, then I can see down the requirement. Now I need this command, AWS platformation create is this command is AWS CLI and platformation is a service create stick is a job. So I need this command. And I'm going to, I need to change the region. I put their AWS OS 3, so I am keeping here also AWS 3. Yeah, OS 2. Then enter. Now I need now I need role policy. So if I go here, and I need now the EKS cluster role plus policy. This one, this policy I need. So the then if I go here and give this command, copy this and paste it here. Now I need role policy meter. Then I need this policy and I'm pasting here. Now saving. Save and quit. And now I need to do based on this policy. I have the role, so that I need to this command. With this command, create the role. No need to do anything. Change. After that, I need to do this one. No need to change anything. Run the command. It's finished. If I go the AWS, information. So we need to close this first. Here is, if I go to the oregano US OS 2, then you can see the step. Here came and creating the progress. We are creating progress. We will refresh and we can see here all the resources. Means here creating internet gateway, net gateway, and a security group. After that, everything, whatever I need. Now I need to. I'm getting refreshed. After finish this, and then we need to do the create cluster. So for that, if I go, sorry, that if I go to right here, EKS, then we will restrict to Kubernetes service. We can create here a cluster. If I add cluster, create. First, we want to see. Created complete, and now I will create cluster. So for that, I'm giving here a name. This cluster CLUSTL cluster. After that, I'm taking 22 version. Then this is my role name, my Amazon EKS cluster role. We don't have to do anything here. After that, I select my custom VPC, nothing else. Okay, it's not there. Refresh. Completed, then I have to go, sorry. Previously I'm doing again. Something. Yes, then air cluster, then cluster name, then cluster take a 1.22 version. After that, this is module name, cluster service role. You need to do anything then. So the just is coming like this. I have to go the waste to refresh. I have to go AWS OS 2. Then here we can create a cluster. It is then cluster. Then I'm taking 1.22. Then this one my cluster service role, my Amazon EKS cluster role. You don't have to do anything. The next here will come the EKS DVC. DVC. After that we don't have to do anything. Next, this one my review and create is whatever I configure, then create. Here is status is creating. After creating, then we will do the AWS. After creating, we will create the AWS cluster. This is my control plane is creating them. After that, we will create cluster. I did this. This configuration. After active, then we can do this. Okay. So for that we need around 20 to 15 to 20 minutes to create to active this cluster. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, it will take time to create cluster. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, like
Yes.
15 minutes.
After creating this after creating cluster, we need to do node group. Only 3 minutes. Have given refresh again. Hello, Shaban. Hello.
Hello, yeah, I'm here.
Did you do the security group and keep it without what was that one? Without key normally?
With the Terraform?
Yes,
Yeah, I did that. Yeah,
but my one is not coming.
I'll help you on Sunday.
Uh, Only 6 minutes. It will take more time. Resources. Creating. And giving the fish. Time is not going. Okay, I will come after 5 minutes. Yes, it is active now. So I need to do. So I need to do some node policy. So that's why I need to go here. For node policy, I need to create. I need to create this one for cluster. After that, cluster communicate. I need to create a cluster with this command. So I'm taking this one and pasting here. I need to change the region and my cluster name. Region. My cluster name is. If I go to the my cluster, check here. My cluster name is. And I will go here. This is my cluster name. Copy this. Paste here. It will fit faster. And I'm changing the region name. Region is US dash OS2. OS dash 2. Yes, I'm giving enter. It's finished. And if I do the kubectl, then cluster info cell US cluster dash info. The net Kubernetes control plane is running. Now, if I do kubectl, run the command kubectl, then get node and ds nodes. There is no resources found. So I need to create node. For that, I need some permission file. Yeah, policy run. We need to run some policy. So for that, I need to do managed nodes, Linux. I need to do this node for role trust policy. I'm taking this one and Vim, then pasting here the name. After that, writing the command, JSON command, pasting here. I don't have to do anything, only just need the command. Sorry. Node policy. After that, I need this command, AWS IAM create role. This create the role IAM role. I need this copy and take this and pasting here. After that, I need to address the requirement manage IAM policy to the role. Based on this one, I need this one. Enter. Yes, working. Now I need to do the create node. So for that, I need to go on my cluster place. In cluster place, then choose the compute tab, then add node group. I'm going there. This is my cluster place. I'm going there. Then compute. After that, node group. Just add node group. And giving the node name WORK worker, then nodes, then nodes, and node IAM role, my Amazon EKS node role. Only this much we need, nothing else. Then next, I don't have to do anything here. We can change here, but I'm not doing changing. I'm not changing. This review page. We do know that my role here. Hello, I'm not doing anything. T2 micro. I'm not doing anything. Create calendar. It also will take time. If I go to the EKS cluster, then we can see here also computer. Then add group it is creating. Add node group it is creating. It also will take time. Few minutes. It will take time. Creating the same here cannot be not ready. Sorry, it's not ready. Ready. Now it is active. I'm going to terminal, and if I run the command kubectl ctl, then get nodes, then we can see here can nodes. And if I run the command service kubectl get service is BC, then we can see also service as a cluster IP service, external IP none, only cluster will be showing. Now I am going to create two tiers, so for that I need some command. At first I am going to deployment frontend with EML file. So for that I need to do beam, then frontend, and t front and sorry, frontend dot EML file, YAML, and I have the for that command to create this command. I'm taking from here. I'm taking from here. Copy, and I'm pasting here. So it is a deployment frontend, and image will pull from my Docker server. And container code is 3000. Sorry, image will pull from the Docker hub. Then I will apply now kubectl, then apply ply apply, then the dash apply y dash f, then file name. This is file name. Just here, applying this. This is deployment created frontend for frontend. Now I need to create the service. So for that I need to create a file vim, then frontend front and the front end dash is dc.yml file yaml. I have the copy for that also. This is my with this service. With this service, I need to create a load balancer. Then I can say save and quit. Now I need to apply for that also. kubectl, kubectl, then apply apply if then the service name. Service the service created. Now I need to do for backend. So I'm creating one more file for backend. Again, then bstk and the backend dot YAML file. YAML. That I'm creating backend. Okay, this file, this code and pasting here. So here I'm in the deployment for backend and for container code is 5,000. Image from Docker Hub and this one. And I need to apply this one also. If I do this, to this, backend bstk backend.yml, it will create the deployment. This now I need to do the service for backend. So I need to create the vim, then bstk and dash service is bsp.yml file. And then take copy from here. Here only I am taking 5,000 port, not doing the load balancer like that anything, because it will be cluster IP. So that's all. I am applying this service. kubectl, kubectl, then apply, then if, sorry, enter. Yes, service is created. Then if I run the command kubectl, then get, then sbc, then here front end backend our cluster IP and front end our load balancer. If I take this external IP and copy this and go to the browser, paste it here and put 3,000. Maybe it's not coming. So I have more. Copy this. I'm going to here. This thing here with 30,000. It will come to there. If I get something here, sorry, some. And the common he also is some new. And here, if I do submit, then it is working. So this is all about my Aws EKS cluster with tutor. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, good job.
Well done.
Hello, hi Shivlu bhai. He's here.
Very smooth.
Yeah. I have some questions though.
Yes.
Go ahead.
What is the database name in the Kubernetes?
Database name in Kubernetes.
Yep. Yeah, it's etcd, okay?
Sorry.
etcd, that's a little database. All the configuration and everything, node information, whatever is
I don't
saved.
know. Sorry.
And it's okay. It's saved there.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the job of Q proxy in the Kubernetes?
Proxy.
Yep.
It will do the proxy about the.
Nah, it's used for the networking, like assigning the IP addresses, you know. It's Q proxy, yeah. And what is the job of API server in Kubernetes?
In Kubernetes.
Yep.
No idea.
So whatever command you're running, right?
Yes.
You are interacting to the API server. API server.
I have to learn from you. I have to learn from you.
Shahid Bhai told us. So, and what is the difference between the cluster IP and the node port IP?
Node port ID and cluster IP, right?
Yes. What is the difference?
No idea.
The cluster IP, the two part wanna communicate to each other. Then we use the cluster IP. Node port IP to expose it to the internet.
We communicate two nodes, right?
Not node port IP.
Port will communicate two ports, right?
No. See,
Then,
you use the load balancer, yeah.
yes.
You could have used a node port too to expose it to the internet.
Okay, I have to watch again.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but you did a really good job. Smooth, no error, no very good job.
Your Hanson is very good, Polly. Just what is said, Shahid has answered all these questions.
Yes, I have to.
So these are the interview question, really.
I have to
These
watch
questions
again.
are the interview question. Nah, in some point, like we always ask a simple question just to see how good you are. And if we see you are good, then we go into deeper. Okay. So when you watch, just take the notes. When you revision, take the notes. My Hanson is very smooth. Thank you.
I'm